I'm Jen Tackney.
And I'm Jeff Tackney.
And we're Team Tackney. Today we're at 5411 Christal Street in West Garden Grove. It is a gorgeous, completely modified Garden Park Plan 5. It is just beautiful inside. As you can tell from the outside, we've got fresh stucco, molding, pavers on the driveway, dual pane white vinyl windows. It's a treat.
Come on in.
This beautiful chef's kitchen features granite countertops, storage galore in the custom cabinetry, 2 sinks, one for prepping, one for dishes, double ovens, a cooktop, and everything is stainless, including the matching built-in microwave. I'm in love. Jeff, ambiance please. We love built-in fire pits and this amazing entertainer's backyard.
We want to thank you for taking a tour with us of this gorgeous custom Garden Grove home. And remember, for more information, contact us. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching.